Instagram is busy rolling out its shoppable button to several countries before making it available globally. After spending about a year in testing the feature in the US, it has now rolled it out in 8 other countries. This all-new in-app shopping feature is now available to the businesses in the UK, Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. This will make it easier for the brands and businesses to help shoppers hit their e-commerce stores without leaving the app. This way the sellers can have the die-hard Instagram addicts finally do some shopping. As well as, the die-hard social app users will find it easier to buy things without compromising their presence on the app. So, how to use the shoppable feature? By the way, there have already been several similar options on Instagram through third-party services. However, this in-app feature will now allow the shoppers to do some direct shopping by simply using the virtual price tags that hang over the posts. One will only have to tap on the tags that display the product name and pricing details together with the link taking to the product's online store. This way the user will get to check the store's catalog without leaving Instagram, saving a lot of time. Though, the final transaction cannot be completed right on Instagram and one still has to depend on the product's online storefront. Yet, it is a real-time saver as one can have all the product details, check the catalog, and so on without having to leave the social app. What made Instagram come up with this feature? While the company was simply testing out their feature in the US, it soon grabbed enough popularity. About 80% of app users were following some or other shopping businesses and most were interested in real-time shopping, informed Jim Squires, the global business head of Instagram. This inspired the company to come up with their own feature for a seamless shopping experience. People come to Instagram every day to discover and buy products from their favorite businesses. We want to be that seamless experience. Whether it's a local artisan, florist or clothing store, shopping directly on Instagram has never been easier, mentioned Jim Squires in a statement. The feature may become an instant hit once it hits the global market, who knows? However, as of now, 3 Australian brands have already started testing the feature. Namely, Myer, Peppermint, and Country Road are already using the shoppable tags. If you live in Australia, simply try checking out the products from these 3 businesses and you'll find the tag in their posts. If you are an Instagram user and reside in any of the above-mentioned countries where the latest feature is available now, you can give it a try. As of now, you can view a feature on Instagram posts right in your regular feed. All you'll have to do is search the business profile of the brand. You can also view it through the notification or by direct messaging. Speculations have it that Instagram will soon allow the businesses to promote their shoppable tags to reach their targeted audiences.